To learn to trade stocks with AI, you can follow these steps. Study and understand the stock market. Gain knowledge about the stock market, how it works, and the different types of stocks, such as common stocks and preferred stocks. Acquire technical knowledge. Learn about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analysis. You'll need to have a good understanding of these technologies to effectively use AI in stock trading. Familiarize yourself with AI trading software. Research and compare different AI trading platforms, and choose one that suits your needs and goals. Gather and prepare data. Stock trading algorithms rely on data. You'll need to gather historical stock price data and other relevant financial information to feed into your AI trading software. Train and test your AI trading algorithm. Once you've gathered the data, you'll need to train your AI trading algorithm using machine learning techniques. Then, you can test the algorithm with simulated trades to see how it performs. Implement the AI trading algorithm. Once you're satisfied with the performance of your AI trading algorithm, you can implement it and start trading. Continuously monitor and improve your AI trading algorithm. The stock market is constantly changing, so you'll need to continually monitor your AI trading algorithm's performance and make modifications as needed to improve its accuracy. Note: AI stock trading can be risky, so it's important to thoroughly understand the risks involved and have a solid understanding of the stock market before you begin.